crazy when you're in the car, you hear your song, you're ready to turn it. It's crazy when you're in the car, you hear your song, you're ready to turn it.
What's up, guys? Richard here, and guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when this video is coming out. And guys, tomorrow, guys, I know you guys excited for this. Guys, I know you guys are excited for this for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to post episode 2 on The Best Fighter. And guys, stay tuned. After The Best Fighter, my other new movie is coming out. Game On. You don't want to miss episode 2 on The Best Fighter and Game On, episode 1 of Game On. Alright? You don't want to miss that. And today, I'm going to do 24-hour handcuff challenge. You know what? I'm going to... guys, I'm sitting on my bed right now. Let me just put my phone down. Oh, that's a weird angle. Oh, that's a pretty weird angle. Too bad I can't have it like this. No, let's put it right there. Alright. 12 hours starts today. Guys, I will show you the name. I'll show you the name. Oh, guys. Guys, his true spoil. Okay, guys, I'll show you the name of the Best Fighter. The Best Fighter, the movie. Alright, so, you know, my name is Brandon right now. But, you know what? What we call, in that movie, The Best Fighter, they call him Mr. B, okay? Mr. B. Mr. B. Alright? So, guys, get your heads up tomorrow. They're gonna be calling The Best Fighter Mr. B. Alright? So, I'm gonna be Mr. B tomorrow for the movie on Mr. B. Alright? And guys, and for Game On, I'm going to be Dr. Evil. P.S. Dr. Evil. So Dr. Evil. He plays games. He likes to play games a lot. So yes. Oh my god. Guys. Alright, guys. Alright. Guys, looks like I'm going to jail. This is gonna be how to vlog. Look at this. Okay. 24-hour handcuff challenge. Oh, that's not hard. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't start it yet. And look, I got marks. Already getting marks on my hand. Look, you see right here? I'm getting marks from this handcuff. It's from this handcuff. Alright, I'm gonna try to vlog. It's gonna be kind of hard. Guys, sorry, I mean, you guys motion sickness. Yeah, it's hard to record this and have handcuff at the same time. 24-hour handcuff starts today. Oh, she's weird. Actually, I'm doing pretty. Oh, guys, this is a weird angle. You see? Guys, this looks weird. Having my arm and trying to have it. Okay, guys, handcuff challenge. It feels so weird holding my phone and hold my phone like in this weird position right now I'm at, guys. This is hard. Guys, you think it's easy to do 24-hour handcuff challenge? No. It's not that easy to do 24-hour handcuff challenge. And I can't it hurt. Anyway, it doesn't hurt, but it feels tired. Guys, it doesn't hurt. But I'm tired of holding. This is my hand. It's like I don't have a free hand right now, guys. And guys, some of you guys want to be my YouTube friend? Sure, we could be YouTube friends. But how about this? YouTube friends on distance. How about social distance friends? Is that better? Let's do that. And then, guys, I know you guys like my movie. You know what, guys? Since you like my movie so far, I might make 4 episodes or maybe 5. I don't know. It depends if I want to make 5, but guys, definitely there's gonna be 4 episodes for my movie, and yeah, you don't want to miss it. And this feels, oh, my hands or my arms is too tired. Ow. Oh god, guys, this is my first time doing 24-hour handcuff challenge. I never, ever do 24-hour handcuff challenge. I'm itchy. It's my hair. Oh, this feels weird, guys. This feels weird. Guys, I'm gonna go downstairs, but I want you guys downstairs. I'm going to go and relax. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys nighttime. Alright, guys, it's 10 o'clock. I think I should go to sleep now. So, guys, I'm going to sleep right now, guys. And see you guys in the morning. And, guys, don't forget for tomorrow, Best Fighter, the movie, episode 2 comes out tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm making another movie called Game On. So you don't want to miss it tomorrow, okay? You don't want to miss it. Alright, guys. See you guys in the morning. Alright, guys. It's finally nighttime. And I'm gonna put my phone, I'm gonna put my camera down. I'm still handcuffed. And tomorrow at night, guys, I started at 9 something right now. And I'm going to, alright, guys, in the morning, you'll see this. Me taking off my handcuff right now. I can't even hit the wall. It's hard. So, yeah. I'm going to sleep at 10:30. Either 10:30 or 10 something. I have no idea what time I want to go sleep. My period is like 8 something where I am right now. It's nighttime. So, what should I do now? I was thinking to go downstairs to like just relax, watch YouTube, enjoy my life. You know what? After I'm done watching my video, after I'm done watching YouTube, I'm not here. After I'm done watching YouTube, I'll come up here. I'll come back upstairs, guys. Okay? Or should I see you guys in the morning? Guys, should I see you guys in the morning? You know, let's see one day before I see you guys in the morning. Let's see what I have. Guys, I'm trying to think what should I do right now. But I'm still handcuffed. This is tough. I have no idea, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm still handcuffed. And yeah. So, what should I do? I have no idea what to do. It's 8 something. That's early for me to go to bed. I'm not going to bed yet. You know what, guys? You know what, guys? Alright, I'll see you guys when I'm going to bed, I think. No, alright, I'll see you guys when I'm getting ready to go to bed. Alright, guys, it's morning. And, guys, you know, one day I didn't expect... Oh, guys, look at this. You see my forehead right here? It's for my handcuff. I've been sleeping on top of my handcuff last night. And it made a dent. So, it's fine. Guys, you know what I realized? Alright, so when I wake up, I want to go to the bathroom to wash my hands before I start recording. And guess what? It's snowing. So it'll be kind of hard to show you guys. But we'll show you. I'll show you guys. look outside. Look at it. It's snowing. Sorry guys for the bad angle, but I'm still handcuffed. Guys, it's snowing. And, oh my god. Guys, can I say something? Guys, it's spring. Why does it snow? Oh, wait. Guys, I had to whisper. My parents is still asleep. My sister is still asleep, so I'm gonna whisper. But why is it snowing during April? Guys, please comment below why is it snowing in April? Because I don't know why it's snowing in April. Alright guys, I'm gonna take this off. I did 24-hour challenge already. Alright guys, ready? I'm gonna count to 3. I'm gonna take the handcuff off. I complete the challenge. Okay guys, I complete the challenge. I'm gonna take this off. Alright? Ready? Guys, ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm taking it off. Finish handcuff challenge. Alright guys, I'm not doing that again. Whoa, she's good. Let's take it off and look. For last night, look at this. Oh my god, look at this. You see this? Do you see this, guys? Look. This is from the handcuff. This is all for the handcuff. And wait, you see that dent? That's from the handcuff too. Alright, oops. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay cool, all of you. Stay safe, stay healthy. And today was a surprising day. I did not know it was going to snow today. Alright? And guys, don't forget to stay tuned today. I'm going to post 2 movies today. One of them is going to be Best Fighter Episode 2. You don't want to miss it. Episode 2. And the other one is going to be Game On. So you don't want to miss it. Alright? So, I'll see you guys. Maybe I might film a game video. Guys, you know what? I'll see you guys in my game channel. Maybe. Alright, bye.